Hello and welcome back to my channel. I want to give you a little Gloriosa update. So this is a lime cultivar, Gloriosa lime, and the flowers start like this lime greenish and then they slowly turn pinkish, but the inside of the tepals remain this light yellow creamy color. And when the flowering is over, this is a fully opened flower, and then that flowering is over, the tepals start to turn down again and they turn pink regardless of the cultivar. So these are the buds, and this is just started to open, and you can see that these tendrils are already working very nicely. This is another cultivar, it's called Lutea, and it starts yellow, but as I said earlier, when the flowering progresses, it starts to turn red again. This is Gloriosa superba Rothschildiana, and I want to show you, because I told you that Gloriosas have these strange corms, and in this corm that contains only one bud. And this corm is very susceptible for drying out, so it is better to keep them in the soil at 17 degrees Celsius in the winter time, totally dry, because it's a tropical plant. And this corm is not going to grow because the growing point is dead. So this is not going to grow. I will throw it out after I made the video. And it's very unfortunate, but this happens all the time with Gloriosa. And you have to plant these cigar-like corms horizontally in the soil, and it will grow 2 or 3 daughter corms down in the soil vertically. So every year you have to turn the tubers 90 degrees, so it will grow horizontally again. Okay, that would be all for today. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.